Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use MetaMask. Before we get started, if you are looking for a trusted, secured, yet flexible crypto wallet, it is ideal to set up a MetaMask wallet. You can type down metamask.io or pretty much just look up MetaMask on your web browser. You might want to install the extension from the official website, which is metamask.io. You can click on this button that says Get MetaMask, and then it will direct you to the official extension in Chrome Web Store. Once you click Add to Chrome, the installation will begin. Pretty soon, a new tab will open. You can choose to create a new wallet or use an existing one. By doing so, you can also import the said wallet using a secret recovery phrase, which usually consists of a 12 up to 24 word password that will appear in your settings when you've unlocked the wallet. Once you create or recover your wallet, you can see your MetaMask account here and even add more as you wish. You can also check your Chrome extension and you will be into the Ethereum main network, but you can switch to other networks like the Polygon. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most of your Wix site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.